This beautiful animated story AI. Let me show you the complete workflow step by step. First, use ChatGPT to create your story, narration, and scene prompts in just a few seconds. Next, generate your story characters in Ideogram AI, and keep the same design for every scene. Welcome to this Halo AI tutorial. Click on the prompt field. We will type our detailed description here. Now click Generate. Now use Google Flow to bring your story image to life, with realistic motion and cinematic camera movement. Your AI animated story is now ready to share. Follow AI Unlocked for more practical AI tutorials.